Hi guys, this is Tube. Today I want to show you how to remove wallpapers from your walls. Things that you need in order to do that are: 1. A steamer. So steamer got a hose with an end like this. Got a cap. You remove the cap. Fill water through the cap, then close the cap properly. Make sure your hose is tight. Plug your steamer in. Water starts to boil. Keep the end in a safe place and put it in the bath. It will take a couple of minutes, minimum I think 5 minutes, for the steam start to boil. You will need one of these. Maybe heat resistance gloves and the clothes. Another thing that we need is one of these scorers. You can use this like this. So now wear your gloves. It's connected to the wire and the steam is coming. You have to keep it there for some time. I suggest it for around 10 seconds. And then move it across every 10 seconds. You got to be quite patient, otherwise if it breaks into pieces it will make your work harder. And I would suggest you not to remove the plastic bit on top, because it will make your life harder. Like this side, the plastic thing is removed from the top quite easily, but it causes more grit because it becomes harder to remove that. You have to pull down slowly, and move this steamer across to the places that is still not very wet. With this other hand, keep this so that you could continually monitor the progress. Again, here you can see you need to come together. So you use this to put it behind it. It's important that you put the layers out together. watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.